It's that time of the year where we traditionally do a cake fruit mixing. The only thing which we have introduced is a little bit of twist. We went with a theme which was a Wild Wild West. It's a long-drawn tradition from the way European countries where fruits used to be macerated months in advance so that the liquor flavors get infused into the fruits, and then during the winter months it becomes extremely difficult to procure any items, so they started doing it during the summer months, and that tradition has endured, and we are following those traditions.
We are using more than 12 types of fruits in this, 6 types of spices.
These fruits which we have mixed today would be used for next Christmas, so it is a good 1 year ahead of time.
We are doing a fundamental grandmom style of a cake mixing.
It's a joyous occasion, a ceremonial one where we do a fruit soaking, and it's an occasion which is done jointly with our guests, with our team members.